guys, good morning and welcome back to another day in the life video. Today I've got quite a bit of things to do, so I thought it would be a good day to do a day in the life. As you saw this morning, we were just having cereal, which is very rare for us. We don't have cereal a lot, but I just wanted something easy. I actually got up when the kids woke me up this morning while Lily laid with me in the bed for a while, like probably 20 minutes. Lily laid in my bed with me. Andy already left for work early this morning. He probably won't be back until late tonight. Very busy at work, so you might not see him.
And Mr. Bear.
Yes, Lily and her big giant teddy bear got in the bed with me for like 20 minutes this morning. But we are up now. Elijah finally woke up. Here's the last one. He finally woke up as I was pouring the bowls of cereal. They picked Lucky Charms. I've got Cheerios. I've all got some banana. So we're gonna eat this and then get our day started. This is the current state of our living room. Yesterday we went to Lowe's and bought a new lawnmower. Yeah. So last night Andy and I put it together. So we've got the lawnmower out. We've got tools out. Toolbox is over there. Boo. This giant box in the middle of the floor, but I'm not really concerned with it right now until I mow the grass, and then when I mow the grass, the lawnmower is going to go in the backyard under a cover and it'll be out of here. We'll cut down this box today, get it out of here, but right now,
my box right now,
the kids are playing in it. I think we're gonna watch something for like 30 minutes because I'm currently icing my ankle. Yesterday at my stepdad's house, I went to get a box of food from them because their neighbors like went to church and like they gave them a box of food and they didn't need it, so they passed it along to my stepdad. It was stuff that they didn't really need, like a gallon of milk and stuff that he won't drink, so then they passed it along to us. So I went to get that, and as I was walking to the car with the box, I like slipped and fell, and I landed like on the box. Had I not been carrying the box, I probably would have hit my face on the concrete. I'm a klutz. Nobody's fault but my own. Things like this happen to me all the time. My feet just like slip out from underneath me. But I like busted up my knuckle. That's why I have a band-aid on. And then my ankle didn't really hurt when it happened. Like it was a little bit sore because it like, you know, that's what like slipped out from underneath me. But it didn't hurt that much. But I still came home and put some ice on it just in case. And it's never swelled up, but it does feel a little bit sore. Like I don't want to put like too much weight on it, or if I like turn it like suddenly it's like ow, that doesn't feel very good. So I think I have like a mild sprain. It's not too bad. So I just want to stay on top of it and not put too much weight on it and try to get some rest. So I am going to ice it for about 30 minutes this morning before we get everything done, and then I'll probably ice it again later. So that's what we're gonna do, ice this, and then we're gonna get ready to go because we need to get gas for the lawnmower, and we need to, well, we don't need to, and we're gonna go buy Dollar Tree, and then we're gonna come home and mow the yard. Okay, we just got back from getting the gas for the lawnmower and we ran in Dollar Tree. We didn't spend much time in there because they're like rearranging the whole store. There were no shopping carts. They were all filled with merchandise because they're rearranging everything. So we just went down the few aisles we could and picked up a few things. So I got some, well, okay. Weird. This happened yesterday too. The power flickered. Like, I don't know, man, why this keeps happening, but it did. Okay, anyways, I got some hand towels. 2 hand towels. Now the dog's going crazy because he was like, did it again. You can, if you're outside, you can hear like the transformer or whatever, like boom. I'm sure that's what he's hearing. Now he's freaking out. Hopefully that was the last time. Anyways, got some hand towels for the bathrooms. I've been trying to get some at Walmart, but they've been out. So I just picked up 2 of these really cheap ones for now. I got another one of these silicone sink strainers because I really like the other one that I picked up. I got 2 more like Tupperware containers. Well, 2 sets. There's a total of 4 containers. The black ones are divided and this one is not divided. I picked up this iced latte drink for myself, which I already drank like the whole thing. It's the caramel flavor. I got this ankle support. We already talked about my ankle. I'm currently wearing high top Converse and it's giving it a little bit of support, so I thought this would be good when I'm not wearing shoes. I got some little floss picks for the kids, nail clipper, some toothpaste. I thought this was a good deal. It's a 4-ounce tube, which is pretty big for a tube of toothpaste at Dollar Tree. So I got that. The kids wanted a snack, so Lily picked these granola bites. She had the chocolate ones last time. She got the cinnamon ones this time. And then me and Elijah are gonna share the Chex Mix. Do you like the cinnamon better?
Yeah.
They were good. I ate one of this one and the chocolate. Both are good, but she said she likes the cinnamon ones better. Kids got a whisk for their play kitchen, some little bug catcher set, some bingo games for in the car, and some fairy garden stuff. Some ones they didn't have. Little gardens for the fairy gardens, some little gnomes. Whoop. Yeah. I'm trying to break it before we even play with it. Little fire, dog, and basket, and then some little signs, and then some parchment paper because I was out, and that's just until I can get some more at Walmart. But that is everything we got at Dollar Tree. What are we gonna go do now?
Clean up the yard and then mow the grass.
Mm-hmm.
And then later we'll play with the sprinkler.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll be looking at bugs.
You're gonna be looking at bugs?
Yes.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel
Camera's all dusty, polleny, but the yard is done. You probably see the pollen floating in the air. Whew. I'm gonna rest, ice my ankle, and take a shower. And it's about 12:30 now. I have showered. I feel much better, nice and cool. Hair will air dry. It'll take hours though, but it's fine. My house is a mess. I was gonna say mess or wreck, but I like kind of mash the 2 words together. I do that a lot. House is a mess. It's also a wreck, but need to get something ready for lunch, and then while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna pick up the kitchen because we got a counter covered with stuff from Dollar Tree. The kitchen table is a mess. It's just a mess. We have leftovers from last night, but I don't really want that. I think I'm going to pull out either a flatbread or some naan they have in the freezer, make a quick pizza, and they'll have like some veggies, possibly even a smoothie with our pizza. We'll see, something like that. Okay, here is lunch. So we did the naan pizzas, and then we have some veggies. I've got some celery and carrots and some ranch. Elijah's is the same, except he also has some yellow mini sweet peppers, and then Lily has red sweet peppers and tomatoes instead of carrots. And I just put the naan, since it was frozen, I put it on the sheet pan and then stuck it in the oven until it was preheated to 400. And then when it was preheated to 400, I took it out and then put the toppings on there and put it back in for another 6 minutes. And then it was done. And as you saw, we made smoothies. This just had some blueberry, strawberry, blackberry, spinach, and orange juice and ice cubes. I just kept adding orange juice until it was the consistency we wanted it, because the kids' straws aren't like super thick straws, like they're a little bit thick, but they have to be kind of like thin smoothies in order to drink them through the straws. So that is going to be our lunch. We're going to sit down and eat this, and then we're going to do school.
Why can't we have a little bit of time?
Because you've been playing all day.
It's only 1:19.
We got to do school.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Okay, we finished lunch, and before we do school, we're actually going to clean this mess.
And then we Iggy Peck Architect.
And then we're going to read a book, and then we're going to do school. Yes. Iggy Peck Architect. So, let's see how long this takes us. Shouldn't take too long. It's mostly just big stuff, right?
It will take an hour and a half.
No, it won't.
70 hours.
No.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet, being to myself and sit in silence, until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we...
Okay, we are back in from outside. The kids played in the sprinkler, as you saw. They had a little snack, and then they actually got cold and came in and changed, and then went and played in the backyard. And I have just been tidying up, cleaning up a few things while they were out doing their thing. And I also made bacon for dinner. We are going to have goat cheese and bacon burgers. So I'm gonna work on dinner. We'll eat dinner. And then the kids want to play some video games. Lily wants to play Mario. And Elijah's probably gonna play Minecraft. Probably not. What's your color in?
I'm making a picture
Of what?
of a flower.
Very pretty. Who's that?
Camera.
Who's that?
Nate.
Nate. Is he your son?
Ah.
Is that your son?
Yes.
Yes.
And he has $13.
He has $13.
I'm pretty sure I have $13 to save up for a doll like Nate.
Nate has $13. That's not real money.
It's making money and pretending it's real money.
That's Nate's real money?
Yeah. It's real money. Actually, I don't know if it's 13, so I'm going to make him at 13.
Count it.
1.
That's a 5. So what's 5 plus 1?
1 6.
No, what's 5 plus 1?
6.
Oh, yeah, I thought you were saying 1 6. So you're at 6, and then you add 1.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13, yep.
Yeah. I'm going to What's your number? And here's
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm showing every single room.
With what?
And with this.
What is that?
A phone.
A phone?
Yes.
So you're vlogging?
Yes.
You're cute.
Why am I cute?
Because you are.
Why?
Because you're just so cute.
Why?
Everything you do is cute.
Why?
Because it is.
Is
You-
dinner done?
Yeah.
Then can I eat it?
Yeah.
Then where is it?
On the counter.
Then you have to put it on the TV.
On the TV.
Yes, on the TV.
No. Okay, dinner tonight is goat cheese and bacon burgers. So we're cleaning out some of our chips. I've got barbecue chips. Elijah has dill pickle, like ranch chips. What are they? Lay's fried pickles with ranch. And Lily has pretzels. So it is 10 o'clock now. The kids went to bed like an hour ago, and I usually like to wait a little bit after I put them in bed to make sure that they're actually asleep before I start banging around and cleaning up the kitchen. If I didn't do it before they went to bed, obviously. Which I didn't do tonight. I just hung out with them, played video games, played play kitchen with Lily. But I've just been sitting on the couch scrolling through TikTok, having some quiet time, laying down with Rex, which he just left me. He just abandoned me and went over there to be a cat on the back of the chair. But I am going to go clean up the kitchen and do my like nightly tasks. Like I need to make coffee, I know, because I'm out of coffee. As I said, it's 10 o'clock and Andy is not home yet. He should be home probably soon, probably in the middle of me doing the dishes. He worked open to close. That's what you have to do when you don't have enough people to work and you're the store manager. So I know he's gonna be super tired when he gets home, so I am going to go ahead and end this video here. I'm gonna include me cleaning up the kitchen, but I'm just gonna put that to music and clean. So if you want some cleaning motivation, stay for that. If not, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this day in the life, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.